Scars the past, marks that don't fade away, memories of battles that time does erase. But every wound, every pain that's felt is a story of courage that life gives us. In the darkness of the night, in the cold streets of the city, each step marked by struggle, truth. Scars on the body, but also in the soul, silent witnesses of a journey of calm. Scars from the past, marks that don't fade away, memories of battles that time does erase. But every wound, every pain that's felt is a story of courage that life gives us. In every lost battle, in every scar, there's a lesson, a learning that doesn't fade away. Deep wells of sadness, mountains of pain, but also moments of glory, of love. They're not marks of weakness, but of resistance, trials that shape our existence. Scars from the past, marks that don't fade away, memories of battles that time does erase. But every wound, every pain that's felt is a story of courage that life gives us. As we move forward, with scars as guides, always reminding ourselves that we're stronger than we once seemed.